Hey folks, Chris here and welcome to the channel. Whether you're new or a returning viewer, I'm glad you're here. On this channel, we're all about diving into the real estate world here in the greater 4 County metro area of Wisconsin. From in-depth property tours showcasing beautiful homes and neighborhoods to helping you navigate the tricky waters of real estate during divorce, I'm here to guide you every step of the way. You'll find practical tips for buyers and sellers, whether you're looking for a dream home or just looking to get the best deal on your property. Plus, I love spotlighting our local communities and highlighting those fantastic businesses and events that make this area a great place to live. And of course, we'll keep you up to date with regular market updates so you're always in the know about what's happening in the real estate scene here. If you're interested in buying, selling, or just curious about the real estate market in the greater 4 County metro area, you're in the right place. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell so you never miss an update. Also, if you ever have any questions or need personalized advice, feel free to reach out. My contact information is always in the description down below. Thanks for tuning in, and I can't wait to share more with you. Stay blessed, stay positive, and I'll see you in the next video.